Potatoes. Cut each potato into 8 parts. Cut each potato into 8 parts. Cut each potato into 8 parts. 3 potatoes. We took 3 potatoes. Cut each potato into 8 parts because these potatoes are large. Otherwise, you can take baby potatoes. Cut each potato into 8 parts. Otherwise, take 6 to 8 baby potatoes. You can use baby potatoes, then you don't need to cut the baby potatoes. But I have large potatoes, so I am cutting each potato into 8 parts. 8 potatoes, 2 cups water, half teaspoon salt. Add half teaspoon salt, 2 potatoes, 8 potatoes and 2 cups water, 3 potatoes. In pressure cooker, add potatoes, 2 cup water, half teaspoon salt or salt to taste, half teaspoon salt, and now cover it. Cover 8 potatoes, 2 cups water, half teaspoon salt. Cover it and we will cook it now on whistles. So cover it and cook it. Cover salt half teaspoon, half cup yogurt, pav bhaji masala half teaspoon. So it's yogurt, salt, red pepper, pav bhaji masala. In yogurt add mix yogurt and dry spices, salt, red pepper, turmeric, pav bhaji masala, half teaspoon red pepper, half teaspoon turmeric, salt to taste, pav bhaji masala, half teaspoon. Mix in yogurt, dry spices, plate dry spices. Now we will add and then 1 by 4 cup peanuts, roast 1 by 4 cup peanuts. Add 1 tablespoon poppy seeds, 1 tablespoon poppy seeds, 1 by 4 cup peanuts, 1 tablespoon poppy seeds. We roast peanuts and poppy seeds on low to medium flame. Soak poppy seeds and peanuts in half cup water. Soak peanuts and poppy seeds in half cup water. With soaked peanuts and poppy seeds in half cup water. Marinate boiled potatoes in the yogurt mixture. Marinate boiled potatoes with yogurt mixture. Mix the potatoes in a curd mixture. Add little by little and gently marinate it. Marinate with the soft hand, otherwise potatoes will be mashed. Marinate boiled potatoes in the yogurt mixture. Add one by one. Marinate gently with soft hand so that don't break the potatoes. Marinate all potatoes with yogurt mixture. Marinate boiled potatoes in curd and applied the foiled paper on baking tray. Now put one by one potato on the baking tray on the foil paper. You can apply oil on foil paper, then put the potatoes, otherwise they will stick to foil paper. Add the potatoes in yogurt mixture, then marinate the potatoes with yogurt mixture, then keep on adding, putting the potato on the foil paper baking tray one by one. See, I am arranging the potatoes on foil paper one by one, marinating with the yogurt mixture. Marinate potatoes with the yogurt mixture and then put it on the foil paper baking tray like this. I added now bake at 180 Celsius for 20 minutes. Bake the potato at 180 Celsius for 20 minutes. 20 minutes 180 Celsius. Add half 1 by 4 cup oil in the pan. Add 1 by 4 cup oil in the pan. Now add 2 onions golden brown. Fry 2 onions golden brown. Finger cutted potato onions. Fry 2 onions golden brown in 1 by 4 cup oil. Fry onions golden brown in 1 by 4 cup oil. Keep on stirring occasionally. Onion fried golden brown. Now we will add to cook 2 tomatoes very well. Add 2 tomatoes chopped. Now cook the tomatoes very well until it's mushy and pulpy, cooking on medium to high flame. 1 tablespoon fenugreek leaves, 1 by 4 teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon red pepper, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon allspice powder, half teaspoon ginger powder, half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half black cardamom, 1 bay leaf, 1 inch cinnamon, 1 inch cinnamon, salt to taste, half bay leaf. Now in blend onion and tomato, poppy seeds, peanut, which we soak the poppy seeds and peanut, add into blender, put onion tomato mixture, poppy seeds and peanuts, add into blender, soaked poppy seeds and peanuts. Now add the onion and tomato cooked in the blender, add onion and tomato in the jug and blend it onion, tomato, poppy seeds, peanuts, blend it into the paste. So blend onion, tomato, poppy seeds, peanut little by little. Now adding blending remaining onion and tomato in the same jug. First blended half, now blending remaining onion, tomato. Blend onion, tomato, poppy seeds, peanuts in the blending jug. Add whole poppy seeds, peanuts, onion, tomato, blend it into the paste. So let's blend it. Poppy seeds, peanuts, and onion, tomato. Take out the blended paste into the bowl. Take it out, blended paste into bowl. Add 1/4 cup oil in the pan. Again add 1/4 cup oil in the pan. Now fry whole dry spices, bay leaf, 1 black cardamom, cumin seeds, all whole dry spices, fry bay leaf, cinnamon stick, cumin seeds, black cardamom. So fry it for the 1 to 2 minutes. Add fenugreek leaves and all dry plate spices, cumin seeds, coriander powder, all spice powder, salt, red pepper, turmeric, red pepper, cumin powder. Fry all spices on the low flame for 1 minute. It will give the good color and taste to gravy. It will give the good color and taste to the gravy. Fry it 1 minute. Add blended paste into the onion in the spices mixture. Add blended paste. Take out all the paste into the bowl. Don't waste it. Now cook the blended onion tomato paste very well until it leaves the oil. Mix it very well. Cook it on the low to medium flame until it become little bit thick and ooze out the oil. Until it become thick, cover it and cook it. Stir in between. In middle you can stir occasionally so that it won't burn. It won't burn or stick to the bottom. Stir occasionally and cook by covering it. Cook by covering it. Add red pepper and salt to taste. Add half teaspoon red pepper add red pepper and half teaspoon salt. Adding red pepper and salt to taste. Mix the salt and red pepper in curry. See the paste has been thickened little bit now. Paste is thickened. The thickening paste is thickening now. It has been thickening now. So it is thickening. Cook the paste very well. Cover it until paste leaves oil. Cook the paste very well until it oozes out the oil. See, paste has been thickened a lot. Stir occasionally. Keep on stir on high flame for 5 minutes. Keep on stirring on high flame for 5 minutes. Keep on stirring on high flame for 4 to 5 minutes. See paste thicken up and it's ooze out the oil. It has been thickened now. It's cooked very well. Cover it and cook it on high flame. Cover it and cook on low flame. Now cook 5 minutes on high flame. Keep on stirring. Cook on high flame for 5 minutes. Keep on stirring. It has been thickened. It's perfect now. Exactly we want like this. So it's perfect now. Now we will add now water and we will add other ingredients now. Keep on roasting until thick paste. See, keep on roasting until thick paste like this. It's now add 2 cup water. In same jug add the 2 cups water. In the curry pan thick paste add 2 cup water. Add the 2 cup water and mix it gently and cook it and let it boil. Let the curry boil. Cover it, add 2 cup water and let it boil. And then first added 1 cup, this is second cup, so added 2 cup water. Let the water boil, gravy boil. Let the curry boil. Then cover it and let it boil the curry. Let the curry to boil. Take out potatoes are baked in the oven. Now take out the potatoes from the foil paper. First let it cool down. Then take out the potatoes from the foil paper. Add baked potatoes in the gravy. Now we will add the baked potatoes in the gravy one by one. Add all the baked potatoes in the gravy which we baked the potatoes. I removed all the potatoes from foil paper. You must apply oil on the foil paper while baking first, then add the potatoes on the foil paper. Stir it, mix the potatoes in the gravy, add and cover, cook 5 minutes on low gas, then ready to serve. Simmer 5 minutes on the low gas, simmer it, ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Your views matters a lot. Press bell icon button. Thank you for watching. Serve it with any tortilla or bread. Thank you for watching.